Hey guys, what's up? I'm back again with a new video, and this time I'm gonna talk about data extraction from landwash.com. It's in another real estate property listing website. So let's get started. So I'm gonna search for let's say, Custer County in Colorado. So we have 644 listings. Let me just add some filters. For acre size, I'm looking for 0 to, let's say, 50. And what else? Maybe just we could narrow it by land. So 320 listings. So this is my Excel file. So we have the source URL, the county name, the property type, parcel size, price, agent name, phone number, and then the second phone number if it's available on the listing, and then per acre value. Now this is basically which it calculates itself. It's not listed on the website, but it's useful to people who are using it. So that's an addition to all the data over there. And then we have the coordinates according to the Google Maps, if Google Maps exists on the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select this URL, go in sheet 2, paste it over here, and if I could, I could paste, you like 6, 10, or 12 such listings, maybe one for Custer, another for some other county, and so as many as I want. And then all I need to do is I wrote in a macro over here. Here's the macro, and I need to run this module 3. Okay, so as you can see, it's getting the URLs out of all the property listed on the website, one after another. The macro has been written such that it scrolls itself. Now, if you want some data to be extracted from any website, and I mean any website, I will be leaving my email in the description, and you could contact me over there, and I would be glad to help you. I had done in a video earlier on Zillow.com, and I got some, maybe I guess, 4 to 5 emails for that video. So I am expecting a good number for this one. Okay, so it's done. Now, let's see. Now we need the rest of the data over here. So for that, I'm going to run the second macro. Let me just adjust the column width so that you can see all the data over here. So for that, I've written another macro, and that's this macro over here. I'm going to run this macro over here. So it's going to get take some time to get all this data, and hope you liked this video. Is and if you have any suggestions, any questions, or if you want to get some data extracted, just email me. Thanks for watching.